Hi everyone. Our recipe today is called Fruit Crunch Cobbler, and of course this is also in our Harvest of the Month, Michigan Harvest of the Month packets, and you can find this also on the website. So this is a very low-fat, low-calorie recipe, but it doesn't taste like it, and it's very quick and easy to put together. So we're going to start out with canned fruit. We're going to be using canned peaches. And this has been drained of most of its liquid. And when you're choosing canned fruit, you want to make sure you're looking for the canned fruit that just says it's in its own juices. We don't want the heavy syrup or the light syrup, and that's adding a lot of sugar that you don't need. The canned fruit that is in its own juice is very sweet as it is, so we don't need any added sugar. So we have our canned peaches, then we're adding canned pears, and this is in a microwave safe bowl, so we're mixing everything in one bowl. It's very easy, you don't have a lot to wash. Then I'm going to put in 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just going to drizzle that over our canned fruit. Stir this together just to get the vanilla extract and the cinnamon mixed in with our fruit. And if you want to chop up that fruit into smaller pieces, you can do that also. All right, and then I have 3/4 cup of granola, and this granola has raisins in it. Use your favorite granola. It doesn't have to be the raisin kind. You can get the kind with nuts in it, like almonds or something like that. So you're just going to pour that over the top, spread that out just a little bit, and either put a lid on this or cover it with some plastic wrap and leave a little edge open so that the steam can escape. This is going to go in the microwave for 5 minutes, and make sure you have a hot pad to get that out. It'll be very hot. I have one here that I've already prepared, and it's already cooked. Only 5 minutes in the microwave. You're just going to scoop that out, and it's nice and hot, and it makes your kitchen smell amazing. So a very quick, easy, delicious recipe. I hope you'll give it a try.